How do you use Google Drive search feature? To use the Google Drive's search feature, first of all, you simply have to use the chips. Go ahead and launch the application itself on your device. Go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top. From here, you can simply use the filter buttons or the chips that appears right beneath the search bar itself. You can simply filter by type by tapping on this. You can select any of these options, such as document, spreadsheets, and many more. You simply have to go ahead and check box or tap on this check box right next to it to select the option. Tap on this people. From here, you will find a long list of emails that have previously sent you mail, and you can simply select on any of the username to view all the emails sent by that specific person. You can also clear it, and you can also find the modified option. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.